Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a creepy, pink-ish, kind of cute, kind of creepy clown for the Halloween season because it is the 13th of October today and I'm feeling like I want to get festive with some clown makeup. So I am going to go off of like a typical circus clown with a little bit of a twist onto it, I guess. I'm not going to do exactly what my reference photo looks like, but I'm going to go kind of off of it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to prime my face with the H2O hydration gel. I use this for all of my makeup tutorials and all of my makeup in general. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you've never seen that palette before, it looks like this. It's a rainbow palette and I'm going to be using the pinks in it today. So I am going to go in using a ColourPop blending brush. It looks like this. This is the E2 brush and I'm going to put some pink all over my eyes, but first I'm going to bring you guys in. So I am going to go into this color right here and I'm going to put that all over my crease. And then on a ColourPop E1 brush, which is just an eyeshadow brush, I am going to go into this purple color right here. Now back into the first color, I'm going to go back into the crease. So now on a pencil brush like this, I'm going to go into the black in my palette. And I'm just gradually adding the black in and building it up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And now I'm going to go in with a pigment that I have. It is by the company MadeYouLookByLex, and it is this pink, purple, kind of fuchsia color. It's like a shimmer, and I'm going to put that all over where I put that purple color. So using the same brush, the flat brush, I'm going to go in and add that. So now I'm going to go in with a cotton round and some makeup remover and I am going to clean up the edges. And then I am going to do some liner. So I am using the Sex Kitten liner by Tarte Cosmetics and I'm just going to do a quick wing. Nothing too crazy, just a simple wing. And then I'm going to go in with some lashes. While those are getting tacky, I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. So I am using the ABH Brow Gel in the Dip Brow Pomade and I'm using the color Blonde. Once you have your brows on to however you want them, I just add some quick gel to them. I'm going to go into this is my Almar Cosmetics just flat brush like this, and I'm going to go into that pink that we used. And I'm just going to add some quickly to my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go back into the pigment that I used, and I'm just going to add some quickly to the brows so that they have just a little bit of a pink color. I'm going to be using my Mehron set. So this is my Mehron set, and I'm going to be using this pink color and white and probably some black. So I think I'm going to go in with my white all over my face first, and then I will add the designs in after. So I am using the Made You Look brush set. You can get it on her website. I will link her website down below for you guys. If you guys are interested, these are what her brushes look like. They're really awesome. They're really cool colors, and they work really well, and they're really, really, really soft. So I'm gonna go into the Mehron Paradise paint in the color white, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Oh well, and the nice thing about creepy looks is they don't have to be perfect. So now that you have, once you have your base on, I am gonna do, what should I do? I'm gonna do some triangles. So I'm gonna be using the detail brush by Made You Look. It's this tiny little brush. And I'm gonna do all of the detailing in the color that I want it to be. So I'm gonna do pink. So and this is where it comes in handy, where if you make any mistakes with your line work, you can use a pencil and you wouldn't have that mistake. Whereas I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with just some white and I'm going to fix that. So now I'm going to move on to the lips, and I am going to do kind of an exaggerated lip. And I'm just making the pink a little bit more pink, if I can. Alright, now I'm going to start doing all of the whites that is on the neck that is usually in a circus person's clown, in a circus person's collar. To be alternating the colors, so I'll be doing white, pink, white, pink. So I'm going to do all of the white first. So once you have something similar to this, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, not a body painter. This is just for fun. I'm gonna bring you guys up a little bit I have to charge my camera. I will be right back. All right, so I just cleaned up some of the lines a little bit, made them a little bit straighter. And now I'm gonna go in with Diva by Jeffree Star, and I'm just gonna put that on the center of my lips. Can't really see it that well. I'm gonna go in with my Macabella powder, the pigment, and I'm just gonna put that over the black. So we have that chrome pigment popping through. So now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go in and I'm just going to use that very first pink that we used, this color right here, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of shade a little bit. Doing it very messily just to add some pink to where that purple pink color was for those triangles, and I'm going to make it darker after with the body paint. Then I'm going to go in with just a lighter pink, add that up here. Now I'm going to go in with a highlighter. This is the Butter Highlight by Physicians formula, and I'm just going to go in and highlight the crap out of my brow bone. And on a highlighter brush, I'm going to go in and add some on the sides. This has turned into a, have you guys ever seen the movie Rob Zombie's, what is it called? Can't remember the name of the movie now for whatever reason. Devil's Rejects. This is turning into the clown from the Devil's Rejects. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to take some more of the pink from the Mehron makeup set. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to fix this side a little bit. I want it to be a little bit skinnier to match the other side. Wait for that to dry and then add just a little bit of the pink to that. So now I'm going to add some of the sparkly shimmer powder to my pinks. So we got a pink, pretty pink clown going on here. So I think the last thing that I need to do the finishing touches on this creepy clown that looks very similar to the Rob Zombie clown. I wasn't headed in this direction at first, but I think that's where we ended up. So I'm going to quickly clean this up and then I'm going to put a wig on and that'll be the finished look. So this is the finished look. So it turned out really cool. It's really interesting. It is a circus type clown. I kind of went off of the Rob Zombie's Devil's Reject clown. His name is, what is his name? His name is Captain Spaulding. He's a really creepy clown and I think this turned out really cool. So I'm going to be doing my review on this wig in the upcoming videos that I will be posting on my channel, but all of the products that I used in this video I will post down below for you guys if you guys are interested in the Mehron paints. And this is just the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just another spooky look for this year's Halloween season, and of course my channel always does special effects, but I've really been loving the body paint side of it so far. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!